What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton EXB Traxxas Sledge 8S. Yeah, I'm about to run both these rigs today. It's not really a comparison, but I upgraded the Sledge with the 8S system, XY servo, and all that good stuff. This is all stock. Just want to see what kind of speeds I get out of both cars. Starting off with the pretty right out here. Oh, this thing is a beast. I'm running oh, stop. Yo, this thing's still a monster, man. I want to get into the jump. I'm gonna do a quick speed test instead of playing around. I'm gonna come off that hill. Oh, let me check that speed real quick. Let's see what that was. 50 miles an hour. Oh. Yeah, this thing is a beast, man. The Kraton, I want to run both the Kratons, the 8S and this one. Yeah, I ain't expect to go that far. Batteries are strong as hell, man. It's really hard for me to control these. I had to set it. Yeah, I'm gonna break something. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on 75% because I'm barely touching the Perfect. And I'm really having a hard time controlling this in the air. Hold up, I think I still got my nav on there. Take this nav off. Hopefully it ain't already off. Because I'm gonna cry. And I'm gonna, okay, here we go. Thank God. Yeah, man, that was a close call right there. As soon as I moved the body, it popped out. Perfect. I don't think I can stand it. It's on 75%. It's still too powerful.
Excellent.
Let's see if I can get it.
Perfect.
Oh. See if I can get one more back flip.
Perfect.
Hell yeah. Yo. Something wrong here. But what did I do? Look like a dog bone is missing. This car is really good, but these dog bones popping out is a nuisance, man. All right, up next is Traxxas Sledge. Man. Let's do this one. Let's see what speed we get out the sledge. Full throttle. Yo, the brakes on here are heavy, man. .48 miles an hour. I was a little squirrely at first, but I don't think that should have affected too much or nothing. Full throttle. That should have hit some 50. Oh no, not down there. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna see what that speed was. Then I'm gonna take this nav out. All right, here we go. Read 48 miles an hour. So we stuck at 48. They ain't gonna do no better than that. Yo, this thing is a beast. Yeah, but it only hit 48. You figure probably on 8S it would have did a lot better, but maybe gearing it up will help it. This thing, man, it, like, to be honest with you, it's way faster even on 6S, on this 8S system. I think this would do it good. I took this out my X Max and put the hobby ring in the X Max. Kind of like how I perform with this system in here. But I'm running the factory motor, so it's not too much for it, especially on 6S. Push the motor though, but hunting for my sledge. I hope there ain't no snakes in here. Jesus Christ, I got the new head shorts on. And she's back. Yo, both these cars, I'm over launching them. definitely a little more powerful than when I last had him up here. At least launch it in this open area. Stop launching. My finger slipped. My finger slipped that time. Could have easily controlled that, but perfect. Oh, if my finger don't stop slipping, cuz. Lucky I barely made it. Oh, finger didn't slip that time. I thought I had it. Should have known I didn't. Perfect. Oh, that was smooth. Yeah, these things is beasting out over here, man. Yeah, we made it over here with the sledge. The good thing about the Kraton, I found the dog bone that was right in the car. It didn't even come out all the way. So that is a good thing. Did not come all the way out. Yo. I keep going nose up, nose down when it comes off of that. Yo, this thing is a beast. Yo, I almost hit that tree. Almost hit the tree. Yeah, man, but both these did they thing.